I'm Son. My name is Son. Let me introduce subject trade lesson to how we taste. The tongue. We use our tongue to taste food, but there's more. The tongue has 4 parts. Each part tastes a different flavor. The side of our tongue tastes sour food. So we can taste lemonade and grapefruit. The back of our tongue tastes bitter food. So we can taste coffee and tea. The middle of our tongue tastes salty food. So we can taste French fries and potato chips. The tip of our tongue tastes sweet food. So we can taste strawberries and ice cream. Try licking on ice cream. Use the tip of your tongue. Isn't it sweet? Thank you for listening.